We are pretty much in a running pace, but this is the first time we've gone to Frankenstein's. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty difficult battle, but this is a new campaign. There we go. There we go.
Make sure you back the North Pole by the some tick rope.
I think the wind is there. It's like, I don't know, it's like a indoor swamp meet. Oh, look at that. Got some album covers and stuff. Got some other crap. Okay, I don't know where. I remember that there was like some 1/6 scale figures over there, somewhere else. I remember a Japanese guy was telling me some Takara. Yeah, it was like in this area. This is where they. This is where the Japanese guy sold me like some Takara R80 figures for like $5 each. I resell them. I wasn't too proud of myself, but. Like, we'll find it. We just have to look. Long we're not in it. Like I said, this store's been pretty secure, so this is a nerd place. So nerd stuff gets lost security. Where's the freaking dragon figures? I swear, man, I gotta give me some dragons. Some dragon figures, yeah. God dang, I gotta find. Just so much Lego. Transformers.
Here's the last one.
I want some skill figures.
Two of them are cards individual.
A lot of Transformers, man. There's a lot of Transformers, man. There's the hats, video games.
Maloney's going to be in
I
charge.
swear, man, he's overhyped, man. Excuse me, I gotta go through. That. A lot of nerd stuff. Oh, what the hell?
Huh?
Wow. Beauty. Like display case, honestly. Excuse me. Here are some other figures. Yeah, this is pretty much big selling. Ooh, that kind of looks pretty cool. I'll probably get this one, but most likely no. I got some. Back off. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay, at least they got Transformers.
That is so funny though.
Oh my god.
That's what they mean.
At least they have a good selection of Transformers, but a really good selection of Transformers. But the problem is that these are expensive. Like, I don't feel like getting Onslaught, man. I don't feel like I'm too.
I got another.
What the hell is this?
Oh, you're trying to act like
This is like missing link. Did I buy this one? No. Got this one. At least this store sells at retail price. I want to see.
moving on.
So, okay, at least. But $200, man. Jesus Christ. I can't afford these figures. Like, my God. I'm old. Well, at least there's a way to get Transformers. much cost? Oh my god, this figure don't have no price. Even then, I don't want to buy no Transformer, man. Come on, man, you gotta buy me, but you know, man. Yes. Oh, man. Fuck. Why do you have to be here? Hey, man, I'm $90. No, man, everybody dragging me. No, you don't. Come on, man. Transformer. So what? No, man. Yeah, look at me. Buy me. No. What is Phantom's going to cost? $219. Holy crap. Dude, man. Figures are getting expensive. I'm out of here. I don't want to stay here for a long term. These toy arena. You know, we're gonna do bad. Oh, got some fly chen. Oh my god. Oh, like Bundesliga. Oh my god. Oh wow. That's a dragon. Wow, my god. Finally found it. How much is this guy?
75.
85? Oh my god. Is this the only place you sell 1/6 scale figures?
I don't want to.
Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit.
If you want to grab something, let me get it for you.
Oh, how much is this guy?
That one's 150.
This one?
They're both 150.
Okay. How much is that anti-tank gun?
400.
Okay. Oh, they gotta be some decent set. This is... That is absolutely bad. That was the only place to get a drag figure, but they got... These overpriced figures just make you want to get Transformers, man. I mean, that's sad. I thought I was gonna get some really cool dragon view. I thought the figure would be like 75, 80 something, but no, it's like 150. Holy god. Damn. It's like, okay, I guess some items are expensive, but not the entirety of like, not the entirety of the, I got oh, there's another one. Cute. Who is this guy? Silver Hockey. Who the hell is this guy?
Just this for me.
I don't want to get. I don't feel like getting this.
I don't have one.
Oh, hey man, ready to buy me? Oh no, please, please, no Transformers, man. I'm not ready for it. Come on, man, buy us. Come on, we're ready to get us some Transformers in store. No, man, I don't want to buy you. Yes, you gotta buy me, man. You gotta buy me. No. Yes. Hey, man, lucky. The car exclusive. Smart. No.
Thank you, my friend. There you go.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
I mean, the price is not too bad. I bet. Thank you for buying us.